Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm with Clean Air Comfort Systems. Today we're going to be installing an EAC filter and an air scrubber for this air handler. So the reason someone would choose to install one of these is because of asthma or any other breathing problems that someone will have, which is why they're actually going with an air scrubber and an EAC filter today. So it's going to take about 15 minutes to install the air scrubber and about an hour to make a new transition and put the EAC in.
So this type of filter is the lowest efficiency filter, and what's interesting about it is I can see you through it. You can probably see me through it. So it doesn't really catch anything besides very large chunks of things, maybe pet dander at most. So it doesn't catch any dust, doesn't catch any pollen, any allergens, much less viruses or bacteria. So we don't recommend using this type of filter. So in this situation, we're installing an air purifier, and we remove the air handler so we can set the air purifier in the return. And the air purifier has three components. It has a very high efficiency carbon filter that's rated for MERV 16, which is the highest efficiency rating. The reason this is a good choice is for people that have respiratory conditions that want to catch all the dust particles in their home that aggravate their symptoms. This can catch bacteria, very small particles of dust, pollen, viruses, and almost anything that can be measured